Welcome back, and yeah, this is the finished product of when I first started building my computer. One thing has changed, well, two things. Right here, when I first made the video, all I had was this 120 gigabyte SSD Samsung Evo 850. So it was just 120. I obviously needed to upgrade, but it was just a start so that I can put my operating system on here. The next one is the 500 gigabyte SSD, which filled up fairly quickly. So this is a mechanical hard drive, which is 1 terabyte or 1000 gigabytes. Still not a lot of memory, even though it seems like a lot. I will be upgrading much later on. As you can see, the brackets are taken out. I thought with the size of this graphics card that I would need to, but I could put it back in and mount like 6 more. No, I would say like 4 more new memory solutions. And so yeah, this is the finished product. So everything works good. I'll show you in a minute how everything powers on, how quickly it goes on. And when I power it on, I'm going to be showing you the actual time of how long it takes from being shut off to turning on, because it's much faster turning on when it's on sleep mode or lock. So I'll be right back.